Hello children, how are you? Yes, I'm fine, thank you. Sai Ram. Hope you all are enjoying online classes. Yes, now it's craft period. And today's topic is fingerprint art. Do you know how many fingers you're having? 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total we are having 10 fingers. With the fingers you can make some beautiful art. Okay, now children, you enjoy with colors, paints? Color, paint, do you enjoy? Of course. But children, you should not use the paint and put on your clothes. You should not use it on your head, on your clothes, on any other. If you used like this, your mama or the teacher will not give you colors. When you use the colors, take it in proper manner and use it on your particular book where you are using drawing for that. Okay? So, be careful while using the colors. Only you should use your fingers to touch it and afterwards wash your hands properly. Understood? Yes. Before that, I am going to ask you few questions. Do you like fruits? Yes, of course. Which fruits? Mango, banana, watermelon, orange, papaya, grapes, chiku. Very good. Now which season it is? Which fruits come in the market? Mango? Yes. Have you seen grapes? Yes, of course. Which color grapes have you seen? Green, red, purple, black. Very good children. Today I will show you how to make the picture of the grapes using these fingers. Do you know children, grapes is very good for your health. Grape skin and the seeds which are there inside the grapes are very antioxidants for children or for the all. So you should have grapes. It acts as antioxidants. Okay children? Now I will show you how to draw grapes using your fingers. Now before that children, first take the white color paper. That is A4 size, any paper. And for that, first you should make the outline. 4 outlines. Okay children? When you draw something, when you color something in your book, first you should make the outline. Then only you have to start the work. Okay children? Now I will show you. First clean your fingers. Be ready with the pens. Okay? Yes. Very good children. Hello children. Now your paper is ready with the outline. Now take the finger. I am using index finger. Deep in the paint, I am using green color. Now you want to make here. First, make one dot. Isn't it? Again, dip the finger. Make one more. Two. 1, 2. Slowly, one by one, dip. One by one. Slowly. Slowly. Slowly, one by one, place the finger on the paper. Slowly place the finger on the paper. Dip the finger in the paint. Okay? Now let it dry for a minute. Then take brown color sketch. Join this. After this, because the stem will be brown color or green color, any color. Okay, is it ready? Now take green color to draw the leaf. Okay? If you want to draw one more leaf, draw. Now children, see how attractive it looks. Isn't it? Do you like this picture? Means only using your fingers you can make the bunch. Okay? Now children, you see this video and after that try to do on the white paper of any color which you are having. Do not force your mother. Okay? Yes. Now children, same thing. I will show you one more picture with the help of this fingers. Yes children, can you see the flower? Yes, with the help of the finger on the tip, place the color and put it on the dot circle. It makes the flower. Same thing, you can make two more flowers and after that use green color for the leaves. Isn't it? Now slowly You should do it slowly, slowly. Children, how it looks? Is it nice? Now you can take this to draw. Yes. To draw the outline, you can take any color, that is brown, green, any. And if you want, you can do the outline of the green leaves. Okay? Otherwise, leave it. If you don't want, leave it. How it looks, children? The same thing, this figure you can use for greeting card making. In festivals, on birthdays, you wish your parents, your teachers, your friends. Same, you can make the greeting card, and the cover of the card you can use this flower picture with your fingerprint. You can make it very decorative. Use your creativity and do it better, children. Okay? Okay, fine. One more small thing I will show you. After this, now children, this is one bag. Okay, this is the picture. In this picture also, we can use the thumb print. You can use the thumb print or you can use the fingerprint to color this bag. Now children, I am using red color. See here, one finger. Slowly you can place it. Slowly, one by one. Place your finger in the paint. Slowly place on the paper. One by one. Dip the finger in the paint. Place the finger on the paper. See, children, how nicely it looks. If you don't want to color the picture, you can use this fingerprint art. It looks very attractive, and your small little fingers, you can do it. Okay? Now same thing you continue for the whole picture. One by one. Slowly. Okay, children? Now it's okay? Now, wash your finger. Now, inside which color you want to put? I'm having green color ready. So, I'm using this green. But now I'm using index finger. You can use the index finger also. Slowly. Slowly, one by one, do it. Children, while doing, place the finger on the paper itself, not on the table, not on your dress, yeah, any other. So complete the work then only you can do other work. Okay? Now I'm using blue color. Okay? To the handle also. Slowly with your little fingers you should do it. Children, see how nice it looks. Is it attractive? Yes, very nice. Children, same thing, fingerprint you can do for any picture. For any picture you can use the different colors of your choice. Make it very attractive and do it very carefully. Okay, children? Yeah, great. Today you have learned how to draw grapes, flowers with the leaf, and the picture, the back of the picture where you do it color with your fingers. Have you enjoyed this session? Okay, children. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.